Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to use live text to copy and share text in images on your Mac. In macOS Monterey, Apple has introduced a feature called live text that can automatically recognize text when it appears in an image in Safari, Photos, Preview, Quick Look, and elsewhere, thereby allowing you to easily copy or share it. That having said, it's time to learn how to use live text to copy and share text in images on your Mac the quick way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, find an image containing text using Photos, Preview, or Quick Look, or simply download one from the Brave using Safari. Now hover the cursor over the portion of the image where the text is, and the cursor will change to a text selection tool. Now highlight the text you want to do something with by dragging the cursor over it. Next, right-click the highlighted text and select an action from the contextual menu that appears. Options should include Lookup, Translate, Search with, Google, Copy, and Share. It's worth pointing out that if you copied the text, switch to an app that supports text input, then right-click the editing window and then select Paste and you are good to go. Did you know that live text also features optical character recognition? That means if you have a picture of a handwritten note in your photos, you can still copy it and then paste it as digital text. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can use live text in macOS Monterey or later on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.